Welcome student. Today we have gathered here to discuss some important aspect of algebra, that is polynomial. Polynomial is one of the topic which has been covered in many repetitive competitive exam pre-RMO, RMO, even in the high level CAT exam, JEE mains and KVPY, NTSC. So in these highly recognized exam, we come across the question based on polynomial, and polynomial itself is a very big topic. In that, this particular topic, that is square root of a polynomial, I have taken some question over here. That has not been covered many times, so we will see how to crack such kind of question. And in the end, I will try to give some short trick so that we can understand it that in a competitive exam where we have MCQ pattern. So thereby looking at the option, we can get the answer. Otherwise, it will be a very lengthy process. So I hope that you can watch this video in a better way. First of all, you should know how to get the square root of a number by long division method. A number, not a polynomial. That is something you would have learned in 8th standard. Let me just take one example of that. Suppose I have to find a square root of 1296. I have to find the square root of a number 1296. So it's a 4-digit number. If you remember the method which has been followed in 8th standard, that is division method, what we need to do? We have to make a pair from right hand. A pair consists of two numbers at a time. So I have made a pair, and then we have to follow the division process. So how we can go with the division process? This pair is consisting of number 12. We know that in division we have dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. Whereas here I just have dividend. I don't know divisor, I don't know quotient. But when we are talking about the square root of a number, the divisor and the quotient remains same in the initial step, then it will change. Now I need to look for a number which is a perfect square but less than 12. So that number is 9, and I can say 9 as 3 multiplied by 3. So I have to drop down 3 3s are 9 over here, and then I'll left with 3, and then just have the complete pair over here. And we know that what we used to do, we need to add 3 or double the 3 and leave some space here. The reason we are leaving this space is that we need to put down the second number. That second number will also come here repeated. The way 3 and 3, so this number and this number. So by trial and error method, we need to figure out what that number will be. So it's 396, it is 66 into 6. If you go, then you will observe 66 into 6 is 396, and of course we are getting 0. We are getting 0. So in this way we can conclude that 36 is the square root of 1296. This is something, a method you would have learned in your early classes like 8th standard and all. Now using this approach we will try to solve these questions. Again, it is not the only method. You can also have the comparison of coefficient. That method is also used to grade. And as I told that I will just take one trick, a short trick, which will help you to figure out the answer very quickly. But for that concepts, you require to know the detailed method. So let us start with the very first question. This is the first question, I am writing it. One thing which you should note down is that you need to write down the function in order. What do you mean by order? Order means you need to write down the function in such a way that power 4, power 3, power 2, power 1 and power 0 will come in order. It's not that after 4 it is 2, then 3, not like that. It will be like this way. Now we will start. Now what happened? In order to start, we will just follow the step which we have done for a number, that 1296 example which I took. So here it is, what we can do here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms in total. And the way we have made over there, a pair of 2 like this, and then I'll help with x power 4. So let us start with this. So here you will observe that if any question related to this will come, the first number, the first term will always be a perfect square. It is a square of x square. So let us start with this. So x square is my first quotient. X square is my first quotient. So x square into x square, I am getting x power 4. I am getting x power 4. So ultimately it gets cancelled. Now I need to drop down the complete pair. That complete pair is minus 12x cube plus 42x square plus 42x square. And as I told, we need to add x square or just double x square. So it is 2x square, and make a note that we are giving a little space over here. Fine. Now what happened? I need to put down a number here. I need to put down a number here, and the same number will be there. So how we perform the division of polynomial? So I need to fix up a number, a term which is having the highest degree. Do it in a rough. That complete term is minus 12x cube. It is minus 12x cube. And then after that, I need to divide by 2x square. I need to divide it by 2x square. So it gives me minus 6x. So minus 6x will be my next term of quotient, and I will just put it over here also. Fine, I will just put it over here. Now I will tell you why I dropped on two number over here, two term over here. The reason is, see, here we have two term. So we know that we have to multiply the way x square is multiplied with x square to do this. Now this minus 6x will be multiplied over here. Fine. So this minus 6x will be multiplied with each of them to get the next result. So what is that? Minus 6x into 2x square. We have just done. It should be minus 12x cube. It should be minus 12x cube. Now what is this? Minus 6x into minus 6x. So minus into minus plus 6x into 6x, 36x square, and minus into minus plus. Now what will be my next step? It will be just subtraction. So this minus will become plus, plus will become minus. This gets cancelled. 42x square minus 36x square is 6x square. Now then drop down the next pair completely. So it is minus 36x plus 9. Fine. Now very important step. What we used to do is x square which we took, we add x square. Here in the next case we call it divisor. We have not taken this complete. We have just added minus 6x. So double it. So it will be adding minus 6x. So it gives me 2x square minus 12x. This is a very important step. Now I need to put down one number here and same number here. That's it. Now check out, it is 6x square. I am going the rough. 6x square, and it is 2x square divided by 2x square. So I am getting 3. So my next number will be plus 3, and same here, plus 3. Fine. So now just do 3 2s are 6x square. 3 into 12x minus 36x, and 3 into 3 9. So finally you can understood that when you subtract, these are same numbers, so you are getting 0. So finally this is your square root. That is x square minus 6x plus 3. If you want to confirm, you can confirm it by squaring this number by using the property a plus b plus c whole square. You will observe that you will get this as your answer, the square of this number. So this is one of the area which has not been covered by many teachers. So I thought that I should just focus on this. Now just to confirm your answer, I am giving you 2 tips. What is that 2 tip? I am writing the coefficient of this answer. So it is 1, minus 6 and 3. 1, minus 6 and 3. I am writing it again. 1, minus 6 and 3. Fine. So what is the step I am following now? Just look at, that is something a Vedic math step you may be knowing, that these are 3 numbers. So first perform this into this, then perform this into this and this into this, then perform this into this and this into this and this, and then perform this and finally this. It seems to be a little lengthy, but it is very simple. Once with the practice, you can do it very quickly. So what is this? 3 3s are 9. Then second is this cross and this cross. 3 into minus 6 and 3 into minus 6. Add the 2. So it is minus 18 and minus 18. Minus 36. Fine. Next is what? This with this, and the centermost. This. So 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. And this multiplication is 36. So 36 plus 6 42. And then this is what? This 2. minus 6 ones are minus 6, minus 6 ones are minus 6, minus 6 minus 6 minus 12, and finally 1 ones are 1. Check out the coefficient. You will observe the same coefficient over here. Check out this. See, you are getting the same coefficient here. That is 1, so it is 1. It is minus 12, 42, 42, minus 36, minus 36, 9, 9. It's a short cross check of your answer. It's a short cross check of your answer. You can do whatever you have done, you got the answer. Now one more short trick is there to confirm whether your answer is correct or it is just a confirmation. What is that? Just do the addition of coefficient of the given question. So what is that addition of coefficient I am getting? That is 1 minus 12 plus 42 minus 36 plus 9. So when you go for this, you will get 42 minus 36, 6, 6 plus 9, 15, 15 minus 12, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. Always remember, if the question like this came in the exam, it will obviously many times. So whatever the coefficient addition you are getting, it will always be a perfect square. Now take the square root of that because we have to find the square root only. So what is the square root of that? 2. Check out your answers coefficient sum. Check out this 1 plus 3, 4, 4 minus 6 minus 2 square is 4. So your perfect square will reach. Means whatever the answer you are getting, minus 2 as the sum of the coefficient, the square of that is this. So this is something the answer you got. Now the short trick I will tell you in the end. So I will just write down the answer for this question as x square minus 6x plus 3. And in the end I will tell you the short trick for this. Now jumping to the next question, we will see next question. So I hope that 2 cross verification will be very easy for you guys to confirm whether your answer is correct or not. Let me try the next question. The next question is this, second one. So this 4x power 4 plus 8x cube plus 8x square plus 4x plus 1. So let me do it very quickly. So first pair, then second pair, this 4x power 4 is left. So my step is 4x power 4 is 2x square. So I will just follow that method. So this will cancel. Then again add 2x square here. So I am getting it 4x square. Let me have a little space here. So it is 4x square. Now drop down it. So it is 8x cube plus 8x square. A pair I have to drop down. Now what number I can pick up? So I am going to the rough. The highest degree is 8x cube divided by 4x square. So it gives me 2x. It gives me 2x. So plus 2x, simple. Again here plus 2x. So what will happen? 2x into 4x square is 8x cube. Then 2x into 2x is plus 4x square. So minus this get cancelled. This will be 4x square. Drop down the pair. So plus 4x plus 1. Fine. Yeah. Don't forget this step. I am making an asterisk over here that whatever the extra divisor you have brought, just add it. So your new divisor will be 4x square plus 4x and leave some space. Here I am not putting plus or minus. It all depend on here. Check out 4x square and 4x square. So obviously 4x square upon 4x square 1. So it is plus 1. Now one more point I can tell you. If all the things are correct, then we don't need to write down the next, because see 1 into this will be that thing and we will get 0 only. Okay? So basically if you just leave this step also, that is fine, because I can expect that this will be applicable majorly in the competitive exam. So you can have that freedom that you can just skip that step. So it will always be like that. Now you got your answer. So let me just write down the answer over here. 2x square plus 2x plus 1. That is the answer for second question. Let me quickly cross check my case. So addition of coefficient 4 plus 8, 12 plus 8, 20 plus 4, 24 plus 1, 25. Square root of 25 is 5. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5. Fine. That other method, the dot method also you can check, you will get the same answer. In the dot method also we can get the same answer. That is again for division, that is again for coefficient. This is again that square root of the coefficient is again for coefficient. Third one is directly go with the square of that, a plus b plus c whole square. So there are three approaches through which you can confirm your answer. Let me try the next question. I hope you guys are getting this properly. My next question is this 16x power 4. So this 16x power 4 minus 24x cube plus 25x square minus 12x plus 4. So let me try this. So pair, second pair, 16x power 4. So it will be under root of this is 4x square. So 4x square will also come here. Now once you got that, next step is 4x square into 4x square is 16x power 4. So drop down the next pair. So it is minus 24x cube plus 25x square. 25x square. Now add 4x square here. So you are getting 8x square. Now you leave some space. Next step is I am writing the remainder or the revised dividends, highest degree term, complete term, and dividing it by highest degree divisor, 8x square. So what I am getting minus 3x. That is my next term. So I am writing it here minus 3x. Here also minus 3x. Now two terms are there. So now just work it out. Minus 3x into 8x square is 24. It will come same because we have done that step over here. Minus 3x into minus 3x is plus 9x square. Fine. So minus become plus, plus become minus. This gets cancelled. 25 minus 9 is 16x square. Dropping down the next pair, that is minus 12x plus 4. Minus 12x plus 4. Yeah, always remember you need to write down minus 3x. Basically we are adding it. So it is 8x square minus 6x and something. And here it is 16x square. So what will be that? 16x square upon 8x square. So that gives me 2. So my next term of quotient will be 2. So if I just multiply, I already told you will get same. But even though we will confirm 2 into 8, 16x square minus 12x plus 4. So this gives you cross. Because when you subtract the same thing from the same thing, the remainder will be 0. So finally that is your answer. Quickly we can confirm. So what we can do? Addition of coefficient. So 16 minus 24 is minus 8. Minus 8 minus 12 is minus 20. Minus 20 plus 25 is plus 5. 5 plus 4, 9. Square root of 9 is 3. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 minus 3, 3. 3 square is 9. So that is your confirmation, and the dot method confirmation is also there. Perfect square confirmation is also there. Okay. So I hope that this is fine. So I am just writing the answer for this question also. So it is 4x square minus 3x plus 2. That is the answer. Now for a change, let me take down a little different question, which if some students see, they just scatter about it. They say that it's not possible to work on this, but it is not that tough. I told in the beginning, important is what? You should place your number term in order. So it is x power 4, x cube, x square, x and constant. Here again, I will take x square as my leading variable. So x square, then x, then constant, and then upon x, and then upon x square. So this is already in order. So we can just pick it up as it is. So let me just take down it. So if I put up, so it will be 4x square upon y square plus 20x upon y plus 13 minus 30y by x plus 9y square upon x square. Fine, let us try this. No need to worry at all. Same kind of question. So what is, this is my first pair, this is my second pair. Square root of this is 2x upon y. So 2x upon y is my quotient. When I multiply, it will be 4x square upon y square. Fine. So minus cancel. So when I just drop down, it is 20x upon y plus 13. Just be precautionary while taking the next question. So the highest degree over here is 20x upon y divided by 2x upon y. So we are getting it 10. X upon y get cancelled. 20 upon 2 is 10. So I am writing plus 10 here. Double of that is 4x by y. That means we are adding 2x by y again. So that is 4x by y plus 10. So plus 10 already over there. So 10 into 4x upon y. Yeah. So one mistake. It should be written as 4x upon y and I need to divide by 4x upon y. So that is the mistake which generally students used to do. So remember, the moment you are written first, immediately add it. Immediately add it so that you should be in a position to define your next divisor. So now it should not be like that, it is 5. So that is a common mistake students used to do. So make a note of this. Yeah. Now 4x by y into 5 is 20x upon y. Then 5 5s are 25. Fine. So this is minus. So this gets cancelled. 13 minus 25 is minus 12. Drop down this complete pair. So it gives me minus 30 y by x plus 9 y square upon x square. And yes, make a note that you are adding 5. So it is 4x upon y plus 10, and then come your next term. So what will be the next term? That is something you need to decide. It is minus 12 divided by 4x upon y. No need to worry, it seems to be a little complicated, but it is not so. So when I do that, it will be y upon x moves up, and 12 by 4 is minus 3. So minus 3y upon x. So it is minus 3y upon x and minus 3y upon x. So let me just work it out. 3 term multiplied by this over here. So 4x upon y minus into minus 3y upon x minus 12. Then minus 3y upon x into 10 is minus 30y upon x. And I already told that this step you don't need to do. You will get it directly. Minus 3y upon x into minus 3y upon x is plus 9y square upon x square. Finally, you got your answer. Fine. So I can conclude that this is the square root of this big polynomial. This is the square root of this big polynomial. There is no change in step. We have followed the same step. You should consider in the beginning that it should be in order. The dividend is placed in order, and then automatically it will go. Cross check if you want. You can go for cross check. You will get the same answer. Now I will jump to the short trick part of it. I will jump to the short trick part of it, and then in the end you have to DIY for yourself. You can try it. If you have any doubt, you can answer it. And if you have any doubt, just let me know. Fine. Now, what is short trick? Short trick is very short. First of all, check out this. It is a perfect square. Check out this. It is a perfect square. Fine. So what you need to do basically, take down the square root of x power 4. So that is x square. That is x square. Next, what you need to write down, you need to put down plus sign or whatever is the number. Minus 12 is the next number. Coefficient of x cube is minus 12. So put down minus 12. And after that, what you need to do, what is the coefficient of x square? This is 1. So divided by 1 and multiplied by 2. Always like that. And put down x here. Put down x here. And then what is that? 9. So simply plus 3. Now check out x square minus 6x plus 3. That is your answer. So it's a hardly 10-15 second. It is hardly 10-15 second. Check out for next. What is the square root of this? It is 2x square. Now what you need to do, write down the second term, coefficient plus it, divided by this 2 and again multiply by 2, and then after that it is plus 1 in the end, so plus 1, and okay, multiplied by x, So what is this? 8 by 4, 8 by 4 is 2x plus 1, and check this out, this is your answer, 2x square plus 2x plus 1. Check out for the third one. Under root of 16x power 4 is 4x square. I am writing minus 24 as it is, attaching x, dividing dividing by 2, multiplying by 4. And then in the end it is plus 4, so plus 2. Fine, check out 24 by 6 is 4. That's it. 4x square minus 4x plus 2. 4x square minus, it should be 4x square minus 4x. I think we should have written 4 over here. Okay, just quickly I can check by the coefficient sum. So 16 plus 25, 25 minus 24, 1 plus 16, 17, 17 plus 4, 21 minus 12, 9 will give me 4 plus 2, 6. It should be 3 only. It should be 3 only. So we'll just check what will happen here. It is 4x square, then minus 24, then 4 2s are 8, okay. It's 24 by 8, it's 3 only. 24 by 8, 3, sorry. So 4x square minus 3x plus 2. Check out your answer. Fine. Hope this is fine. I will come across with some more informative videos which will help you to many competitive exam. My focus is always on some exam like repeated exam like pre-RMO, RMO, NMTC, NTSE, KVPY, JEE mains, and of course you can observe such kind of question in highly repeated exam of CAT. So you can observe such kind of question over there. I will also try to bring as many short tricks as possible. One takeaway from this particular session is that a polynomial of 3 terms, that is trinomial, the square of that is in 5 terms. So that is again an information you can have that a 5 term is required to get the square of a 3 term polynomial. Fine. Hope this is fine. So we will meet soon. Once again, thank you.